Hey guys, welcome to 2S Cake Art. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this gorgeous looking buttercream stripe cake. And also, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful Isomalt shard. So I have started off by using 4-inch chocolate cake, sticking it onto the cake board using vanilla Swiss meringue buttercream, and also I'll be using the same frosting in each layers. Repeat until you layer all of your cakes. Now crumb coat it in a thin layer. Now smooth it out by using the cake scraper like this. Smooth it out the top of the cake by bringing the frosting into the middle like this, but doesn't have to be perfect. Give it a final touch, and once you're done, pop it into the freezer for at least 30 minutes. Now I'm going to apply the final layer of the buttercream. As we are creating these stripes later, I actually recommend you to apply very thick layer around your cake. Now I'm going to smooth it out by using the cake scraper. Filling it in if there is any pocket like this. And smooth it out again until it's nice and smooth. Once you're done, smooth it out the top of the cake as well by using the palette knife like this and filling it in any gaps like that. Smooth it out until it's nice and smooth. Now smooth it out the top of the cake by bringing the frosting into the middle with a palette knife like this. Now I'm going to scrape the cake by using the scraper like this. Gently scrape it around the cake until you see the beautiful stripe like this. Once it's done, pop it into the freezer for at least an hour. Make sure it's in the freezer. In the meantime, I'm going to make the Isomalt shard. So I'm going to melt the Isomalt in low heat until it's completely melted. Once it's melted down, add few drops of food coloring, then pour it onto the silicone mat. It is extremely hot, so please be very careful. Gently move it around the mat and pop it onto the any kind of tall objects. I have actually used the steel glass. Put about the 4 to 5 pegs by pinching it around the mat and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. It is now completely cooled down. So gently pull out the mat and ready to use. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish off making this stripe cake. Here I have prepared blue Swiss meringue buttercream for the stripe. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the ridges with this. Now I'm going to remove the excess buttercream using the bench scraper like this. Fill in any gaps like this and continue scraping until you see the perfect stripes. Make sure to clean off your bench scraper in between each round. Once you're done with it, go ahead and cut off the excess buttercream from the top of the cake. By doing this, you can actually get the sharp edge. Here you can see very beautiful perfect stripes and really smooth and sharp edge. Now I'm gonna go ahead and stick our Isomalt shard on top of the cake. sticking it with the blue colored buttercream. There you go, your beautiful buttercream stripe cake with the super trendy cake topper. Now you can actually stop in this point and enjoy your cake, or if you want, you can go ahead and paint around the edge using the edible gold paint like this. See how beautiful and stunning it is now? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching 2S Cake Art.